Sabi sa akin, may nagsabi sa akin, kung mahal mo talaga yung tao, kayang-kaya mong tiisin lahat. Tama mali? Tama mali? At kung mahal mo talaga yung isang tao, dapat marunong ka mag-antay. Tama mali? You know, they say love, true love, is worth waiting for because, even if it's for a lifetime, because in a lifetime, what is it? True love is worth waiting for, even if it takes a lifetime, because in return you get a lifetime full of love that awaits you. And so for those of you who have had to wait for love, this one is for you. Alright guys, let's get a clap going, come on! Everybody clap my hands. Hey! And I'm sure, alam mo itong kanta na to, I'm sure you guys know this. So when the chorus comes, please come along and sing along with me.